Day 75, it's Sunday. This is little Kelly. Hello. This is a beautiful wife.
Hi.
The other munchkins getting out of the car.
Yeah.
They're like sloths, so they'll take a while.
Yeah.
It's Sunday, we weren't meant to be working today, but we've just pulled up after having something to eat. Thought we'd rock up and have a quick look. The boys had been here today, so the weather held off a bit better today. And it looks like they've actually finished the boxing, so we'll have a good look on the actual site itself. Let's see what they've done. So they've been filling with marl. Spin it around. So they've done some marl fill in here, a little bit more in here. They did actually do that on Friday, but it looks like they put more in. More blocks.
Why is there
More stuff. The water's gone away, so they pumped that out, or it's sort of drained away, one or two. Right, be careful, it's going to be really boggy in here.
Come here, babes.
Tash.
Hold my hand.
Can't see where there's any more done now. I don't think there is. I think it looks like the masons will be coming in Monday. It looks like it's just they've been working in here. So the door frame's now done. That's where the 4-foot door frame will be.
Oh, okay.
So the 4-foot door frame's going to be there coming into storage area 1, and then we'll have a doorway there, maybe keep it open and go straight into there. We'll prop that up. So there's some concrete here, so it seems they've been doing some more pouring as well, potentially. Okay, so they've put the main beam boxing all the way along. They've started beaming over there as well. They've beamed pretty much all over there by the looks of it. It's all the 4x2 and the beams across. And then what they'll do with that is they'll actually put acros underneath, or like they've done there. Acros there, and the ply sheeting. And then they'll be pouring on top at some stage. So under here, again, beam and box. So technically, as I'm standing here now, there's the actual, so I'd say we're probably 7 foot. And obviously the beams themselves come down by, I think they're 18 inch. So we'll have an 18 inch beam coming down here. Obviously an 18 inch beam going through the middle. And an 18 inch beam at the other end as well. So there's basically 3 main beams that will go through. And obviously the main central one going through the middle. But they're really aiming to try and get that done and finished off so they can be pouring in a week's time, maximum. That does bug me when they do stuff like that. Unbelievable. Yeah, so, yeah, fair play to them for coming in, because yesterday they were rained off quite a bit of Friday, completely on Saturday as well, bless them. So, looks like they've got back in and tried to do a bit of catch up. Other than that, it's dried out a little bit more, which is good. That's where I actually put the water there. That's where I actually had the pump on Saturday. And this is the pool area and the steps, which we've already showed before. Yeah, a lot of this will be pumped down. So again, because of the rain, the pool area has now got water in it again, so we're going to have to pump that out. They're going to be marling in there and rolling in there to try and get the actual the shape that they need as they will in here. And as we said before, this is where the steps, the 4 steps, will come down, and the pool technically begins there, but it's going to be the same height as the house. So the pool itself is going to be about 7 foot deep in total by the time you get to the pool, after they've actually raised the levels. And then I don't think there's been any. It looks like maybe some of that block has been done. Yeah, no, that'll come. I think it might have been done on Friday. But anyway, that's good news. Can't see they've pulled that. Have they pulled that yet? They might have pulled that one as well. So it looks like they've been pouring some of the actual pillars as well. So. Looks like they've got a good week to start. Even though they lost Saturday, they gained Sunday. So we'll see what happens tomorrow, but good news.